Alright, and welcome back everyone to another video of my LeetCode problem solving series. Today we are going to do a standard example of binary search. Binary search is a searching algorithm which reduces the time complexity of search. In most cases, what we do is we perform a linear search, like using a for loop, iterating from zeroth index to the nth index, checking on every iteration if we have found the target value. But in binary search, if you don't know the concept of binary search, I'll explain that to you in short here. In binary search, what we do is we constantly find the mid of the given array and check if my target is greater than or less than mid. And according to that, shift the starting and ending positions. So mid will be recalculated and I don't have to check the other half of the array when this half is present. This half is uh, the half containing the target. I do not need to check the other half. So this would reduce the time complexity of the loop program. The time complexity of a linear search is O of n. Number of elements, if number of elements are greater, the time complexity will be higher. And time complexity for searching algorithms like this, these are O of log n, if I'm not wrong. So let's see what we have been asked here. Uh, Target is 9. We have to return the index where 9 is or else return minus. Okay, so in this question, we've given a target value in an nums array. If we find the target value in the nums array, we have to return the index on which the target value exists, or else if we don't find the target value, if it is not present in the array, what we do is we just return -1 and end the thing, end the program. So let's start the code. For problems like binary search, you always have to create three variables. One is a start one and end, -1. And then what we'll do is we'll create a while loop where start goes less than equal to end, because we will change the values of start and end according to our conditions. And my mid will be start plus end minus start by 2. The value of mid is like that uh, because it satisfies a few conditions. You won't understand me explaining those conditions in here in a short form. I ask you to go check out a proper tutorial for binary search if you don't know why this is the case. Because you won't be clear on the concept if I tell you in a this video will be hardly of 3 to 4 minutes. I cannot complete the entire concept of binary search here. I highly recommend for you to check out a tutorial if you don't know this concept yet. And now, so if in case my mid is the target, my mid is same as the CRCET target value, right? What we will do, my mid value, so nums of mid. Then we return mid, right? And if my mid value is not the same as target, what we do, we check is we check that if my num of mid is greater than target, and then what we do is we shift the end of the array to this side. mid minus 1. Or else what we do is we shift the start. Start will be mid plus 1 in that case. And if we don't find uh, the target in the array after this while loop ends, we will just return minus 1. Alright, let's run the code. What is wrong? Why isn't it running? There is no error as well. Come on. Well, if you have seen my email, I don't think I have shown any of my personal information like password or something. But if you have seen my email, I hope you contact me on that if you have any problems with the code and all. I hope you do not misuse that and spam me with wrong intentions. Alright, so this is it for today. Thank you for your patience, and I'll see you next.